Lieutenant.
Boys, listen to that crowd here as the boys go out into the field. Jerome won 7 of those 12 shutouts, and Paul 5. The balance of the staff 3, and Paul also had his great no-hit game against Brooklyn. Now, the boys are out in the field, and in just a few moments, this ball game is going to start, opening the series, and my old pal Tommy Manning of Cleveland, come on in.
Thank you, Graham. Good afternoon, everybody. We're over at Haven Field, Detroit, today. What a season this has been in baseball. What 2 teams we have out here, the color galore. The Dean brothers, it's Jizzy and Daffy. It's that kind of a series, if you please. Over here in Detroit, for the first time in the history of the World Series, we've been postponed for 20 minutes to allow the crowd to get in. These fans here are so excited, so enthused over the expectancy of the color in this World Series that they have all taken a good nature. The band has just left the field. Detroit Tigers are out there now tossing the ball around. Hello, black frill that they've been using throughout the season. It's so black that it looks like a piece of coal. And that veteran right-hander, formerly of the Washington Senators, General Crowder, who pitched a great season in 1933, but faltered in the World Series, perhaps due to overwork. He is out there, being acclaimed again by these enthusiastic Detroit rooters. Manager Mike Cochran, one of the greatest catchers of all time, goes through the receiving. Here's the last-minute official lineup again. For St. Louis, Pepper Martin at third, Jack Rothrock in right, Manager Frisch at second, Sedgwick in left, Collins at first, Delancey, catch, Orsatti, center, DeRocher, short, and the great Jerome Dizzy Dean in the box. They say he's busy. I wish we was busy too. For Detroit, White, center, Manager Cochran, catch, Geringer, second, Hank Greenberg, first, Bruce Goslin, left, Billy Rogel, short, Owen, third. They say he's the most improved player in the majors this year. Fox in right field. Crowder pitching. Umpire Vic Owens behind the bat. Clem at first. Geisel at second. Reardon at third. The umpire has called play ball. Pepper Martin, the right-hand hitter, is stepped into the box. A great cheer goes up. General Crowder takes his glove off, stands back near the rosin bag, looks out towards center field. He has his outfielders all spotted. The old General steps up on the rubber. It won't be long now. Cochran runs behind the plate. Pepper Martin taking his aim, swinging that old bat up and down. In that bluish gray uniform with cardinal red. Swinging the bat up and down. Up goes Crowder's arm. The World Series is on. The first pitch. It's a bounder down third base. Owen has it. He whips it across the diamond. Greenberg. And Martin is out. On the way. The first ball pitch. General Crowder taking a slow wind-up. Puts that ball over the heart of the plate. Pepper Martin, the right-hand batter, swung on 2 hops. Carl Owen stepped over. Nonchalantly picked it up. Tossed it over to big Hank Greenberg. The series is on. The Cardinals in the first inning. 1 out. Nobody on. Jack Rothrock, formerly of the American League, playing a great game in right field for the Cardinals. He bats from left-handed, reputed to be a very fast runner, one of the fastest in the major league. The pitch, it's outside, ball 1. Jack Rothrock taking a slow, easy aim at the pitcher, and here it comes. And there it goes, a high fly to center field. Out into center field, and White is waiting for it. He has it. 2 men out. Puts that old ball into Johnny Geringer. Geringer to Owens to Greenberg. To Owens to Greenberg. They almost knock each other down. Then Greenberg fondles the ball a moment, tosses it over to General Crowder, and we're ready to go. Frankie Fish, the manager of the Cardinals. A left-hand hitter is at bat. He's a switch hitter, you know. And here it is. Strike ball, a fastball, right down the old alley. Strike 1 on the Cardinal manager, Frankie Fish. 2 men out in the first inning. Nobody is on. The windup, the pitch. A half swing, but it's declared a ball. And the count is ball 1 and strike 1. Frankie Fish is all set to lamb-face that one clear out on the cherry shoot, as they call it. And now the count of the Cardinal manager, ball 1 and strike 1. Fish steps out of the box. Gets a pinch of dirt. Knocks the ducks off his shoes, and he's back in there again. The signal and the windup. Ball 1, strike 1, 2 out, nobody on. Here it is. He swings at the ground ball. The glove on, back down. It's over near short. Owens goes over, retrieves the ball. but is unable to make a play, and I'm sure it is a base hit for the Cardinal manager, Frankie Quick. That was a ground ball. It is scored as an error. That ball was hit to the left of Varathane. He leaped over for it, batted it over towards shortstop, but Rogel was running over to back him up. He batted it over to the regular shortstop position and was unable to make a play. It is scored as an error. Varathane, the third baseman. Now we have Joey Ledwick up, hits the first ball, pitches a base hit into left field. Frisch is rounding second base. Dawson retrieves the ball, puts it into Rogel at third. Frisch bats to second, a single. Now we have runners on first and second. Frankie Frisch is on second. Ledwick. Frankie Frisch on second. Ledwick on first. 2 men out in the first inning. And Rip Collins, who has hit 35 home runs this year. For the St. Louis Cardinals, the left-hand batter is up. General Crowder, a right-hand pitcher, is in the box. Gets his signal. Looks out for second. And here it is. He hits the first ball. It's a drive into center field. White is backing up. He's under it. He has it. And a ball for the Cardinals in the first inning. No runs, 1 hit, and 1 error. Runners remain on first and second at the conclusion of the first half of the first inning. Come in for it. That was a tense moment with 2 men on, 2 out. And Rip Collins is back. Man who has slapped out 35 homers this year. Here's the way that inning worked. Martin came up, knocked the first pitch down the third, and was out on the fast throw from Owen over to Greenberg. Reached the first backer just about 5 feet before the runner got there. Then Rothrock came up, slapped the second pitch on a high fly, sailing way out into center field with a hard-driven ball. But JoJo White was there when it came down, and 2 men were out. Frankie Frisch came up. Frankie Frisch drove one hard to the left of Marv Owen. Down on third, he came out, got his hands on the ball, and Frisch went on down to first with base on Owen's error. Thrower calling it Owen's error, base down on first. Ledwick came up, slapped the ball hard out into left field. Frisch moves on down to second. Actually, he wants to circle it, and Goose Goslin rammed it on into third base. Collins came up without on that fly, but here is the Tigers half the first, and Tom Manning to give it to you. All right, Tom. JoJo White, left-hand hitter, center field of the Tigers, in his white uniform with the blue letters. He's up there. The first pitch from Dizzy Dean. Strike one, ball, up burning, fastball, well high, right down the old alley for a foul. Dizzy Dean is out there running that pitch by just as confident as he has been in his 30 victories in the past season. The windup, a long, lean windup, and here it is. A hook ball is low inside. Ball 1 and strike 1. It's the last half of the first inning. In this old World Series ball game at Haven Field, Detroit. You're receiving the description through the National Broadcasting Company. Ball 1 and strike 1. The pitch. Ball 2. A fastball. This is the outside corner of the plate. And the count on the left-hand hitter, JoJo White, is ball 2 and strike 1. He is the leadoff man of the Tigers. Delancey the catcher, and here's the pitch. Ball 3, a fastball. It drives JoJo White away from the plate. And the count on the first Tiger hitter, ball 3 and strike 1. Boy, oh boy, that Dizzy Dean certainly has plenty on that ball. There it is. It's a strike. Right down the middle, and the count on JoJo White is ball 3 and strike 2. Dizzy Dean swinging those big arms that come down almost to his knees. What a big fellow he is. Here's the windup. The count is 3 and 2. There it is. There it goes. It's a ground ball. Down short. DeRosa has it. He hits it to Collins. And JoJo White is out. That was comparatively an easy catch. DeRosa taking that ball about so high. And a nice throw right over shoulder high to Collins. And the Tigers have 1 man out in the first inning. Mike Cochran gets a great hand as he steps to the plate. Manager Mike Cochran in his first year as manager of the American League. He's back to left-handed. Here's the first pitch to Mike. Ball 1. A fastball is low and just a little bit inside. The last half of the first inning. No scoring yet. 1 man out. Nobody on. Cochran up. And it's ball 1. Dizzy Dean, right-handed, is pitching. Delancey catching. Here it comes. It's a ball. The fastball is outside. That was close. And the count on Mickey Cochran is 2-0. Cy Perkins is coaching at first, Baker at third. 1 out, nobody on. Ball 2, the pitch. Strike, ball. That was a nice fast one. Over the plate, well high. And now the crowd on manager Cochran. Ball 2 and strike 1. Charlie Gallagher, the Tiger second baseman, hanging around home plate. The pitch. He swings. It's a ground into first. Fish is down on his knees. He comes up. Out at first. Fish to Collins. That was a hard ground ball. Manager Fish goes down both knees. He stumbles momentarily, but came up with the ball, passed it over to Collins, and Cochran is out. Now we have 2 in out, and nobody on. Charlie Gallagher, one of the greatest second basemen of all time, gets a great hand as he steps to the plate. He has played marvelous ball here for the Tigers, and he gets a great hand as he steps up to the batter's box. He's also a left-hand hitter. Charlie had a great battle on this year, you know, for the batting leadership of the American League. The first pitch, it's a strike, ball. Charlie Gallagher elected to look that first one over. Dizzy Dean is in the box, you know, general starter for Detroit. Last half of the first inning, 2 out, nobody on. No score is yet. Here's the windup. Strike 1 on the hitter. Ball. That was a curve ball that missed the outside corner. And Dizzy Dean takes his head just a little bit. And now it is ball 1 and strike 1. 2 men out. Last half of the first inning. And nobody on. Here's the windup. 1 and 1. The pitch. It's a sweeping hook ball that is low inside. Gallagher steps back. Ball 2 and strike 1. Gallagher pulls quite a bit away from the plate on that last pitch. It's sort of a change of place offering. Now it's ball 2 and strike 1. The windup. The pitch. He swings. It's a base hit. A base hit to left field. Ball out there is received by Joey Medwick. He whips it into Leo DeRosa at second. And Charlie Gallagher is on first base. A ringing single to left field. That is the first Tiger hit of the World Series. Hank Greenberg is coming up. Hank Greenberg is a big Tiger first back or a right-hand hitter. Frankie Fish has left his position at second and has ran in to back with Dizzy Dean. Now he's going back again. The last half of the first inning, 2 men have been retired. Charlie Gallagher on first, and Hank Greenberg at bat. The outfielders are moving back, ready for the pitch, and here it is. It's a ball ball down third base. Pepper Martin comes up with a throw. He is out at first. That was a beautiful play by Pepper Martin. He went down to his left, reached for the ball, and threw it over there, just off the ground to Rip Collins at first base, and that is all for the Tigers in the first inning. No runs, 1 hit. Matt Doyle, Gallagher was left on the base. Come in for it. White came up to start off the Tigers part of this ball game here in the first inning. White banged one, a hot one down to Leo DeRocher, who took it fast, got it over to Rip Collins on first, and 1 man was gone for the Tigers in the first inning. Cochran then came up, Mickey Cochran.